Alright, and hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with yet another instant noodle recipe time. This is the show where I impart to you my knowledge about instant noodles. I've reviewed over 3,000 varieties thus far, and I share with you my tips and tricks for garnishing. So, today, and of course my exotic varieties, but these recipes generally will work for most everything you can find. So then we have Myojo Char Mee from Singapore. This is a classic variety. People seem to really like this one. So I figured, hey, let's give it a go. This is their new Yummy Just Got Yummier variety. So yeah. Pretty groovy. Got a liquid sachet. You got a. It doesn't want to let go, but it does come with a dry sachet. We got a pot of water boiling, and it's ready for the noodle block. A very standard looking noodle block. Noodle block in the pot. And we're off to the races. I believe it said 2 to 3 minutes. So we're gonna go for 1, 2, and 23 seconds. I'm guessing it had already been in there 7 seconds. So let's see what's going on today. Yes, I am still waiting for my computer to come in. The FedEx is supposed to drop it off. They're kind of. I've had them come at 9 in the morning. Had them come at like 4 in the afternoon. So if all of a sudden I go, oh crap, and jump up, that's probably because that's what just happened. They knocked at the door. And I'm hoping they do that like maybe after this video is done. Always a possibility. But everything being equal, I kind of doubt that's how it'll work. Just like people texting me while I am doing a video. So, today in this one, I'm going to add this. Now, this is tofu puff, and it doesn't look like the other tofu puff that I had before. This is a different company, and this tofu puff, I swear, is the best tofu puff ever. Mmm. It's made in Seattle, and the guy at the company who stocks the place where I actually got it at Wajimaya in Bellevue, and the guy from the Seattle place that does all the tofu, he was there stocking the shelves, so I got like the actual freshest from the distro guy, so that was rad. And they do have a store at the factory, so it's like I can go there and I can get the absolute freshest tofu puff in the world. I could get it like right as it was done. I wonder if I could get custom orders so it's crisp on the outside. 22 seconds left on the clock here. Feeling pretty done-ish. Okay. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Good. Gonna drain it, put it back in, tube it up. Got a few other things to add in for fun and pleasure. So, right? Right, Miles? He says right, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi. He's like, dude, just get away from that freaking stove once in a while. Jeez. It's like right as soon as his little sister passes out, I run out here and I try to do this as fast as possible. And then I run and type up my review. And that's when he usually like climbs all over me. And then once that's all done, we usually play Legos, actually. Build Legos, read a story, have a beverage. Good times. And there's the liquid. Got that stirred up. And of course, now I'm going to taste it. I've had the Char Mee 100 non-yummy just got yummier flavors, so it smells good. Nice looking noodle. They're not kidding. It as advertised. That is yummy. Okay. Let's back you up here a little bit, ladies and gentlemen, because I want you to get the best seat in the house for this. I have a fish plate. Kind of wish I would have cooked the mung bean sprouts, but I'm not gonna, not at this point. There's that. I'm gonna kind of hug them up on the side. I think that's what's gonna have to happen here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, see? Tofu puff is tasty. Miles is enjoying making noises. There we go. I'm gonna add some 36-40 count shrimp. This one doesn't have, we got two of them like that. No, cool. What else? Oh yeah, I thought maybe a softie might go on top. I made some this morning. I'm hoping this spoon isn't just too freaking huge. So far, so good. I'm gonna drop the softie right there. Oh, don't run downhill. What are the... no! This is a song about a whale. No! It's a song about being not happy. If you know what I'm talking about, you're probably going to get a laugh right now. And some... spring onions. I always try to go a little bit, and well, even if I'm not even trying, I kind of go a little Jackson Pollock with the spring onions. Just because, I don't know, haphazard spring onions just kind of have a way of being. And then crispy onions. And verdict is that looks absolutely like food. Bump, bump. So, yeah. Get off of my egg. Get off of my lawn. That'll work. I tell you, sometimes these eggs just don't do what I want them to when I use those little things. And generally they do, but sometimes they don't. But sometimes they do. But sometimes they don't. Anyways, well, yeah, that was the Myojo Singapore Char Mee. Yummy just got yummier edition. Thank you to the folks over there in Singapore for shooting these over. And if you enjoyed that video, you know what I'm about to say. Why don't you look at this one? Or this one, or this one, if they've popped up yet. Oh yeah, they're there. You see them now, don't you? So, yeah, pretty cool. And if you have any requests, please make requests. I'm more than happy to fill them. I've got a lot of stuff that I've reviewed long past reviewed, but it's kind of nice to revisit them in this kind of capacity. So they'll be coming up. If you're thinking like, hey, what about this and this and this, and they're pretty easy to get, chances are I'm already there. But hey, ask anyways, all right? And please subscribe and all that junk. So, this is Ramen Rater wishing you enjoy my noodles. Have a good one and bye.